Get the most out of an insurance quote. Many things can happen each time you leave the door. Hundreds of thousands of people die each year from accidents on the road, in the house, during work, and even in recreational areas. Whether caused by car collisions, sudden fires, theft, or medical diseases, accidents do happen. To protect yourself, you need an insurance plan that will keep you and your family comfortable even when an accident strikes. Getting an insurance plan, however, is a very tedious and difficult process. With the many different types of insurance plans available, determining which to choose can be very frustrating and intimidating. Getting an insurance quote is one of the easiest ways for you to determine which insurance plan to take. Cost. Different life insurance companies provide different plans with different costs. Understand how one differs from the other and make sure that the details given to you are accurate. Many fees and other rates are hidden in a marketing agent's presentation, so make sure you squeeze all these out from the marketing agents before agreeing to anything. When you get insurance quotes, you can easily compare the various costs of an insurance plan. Quotes will help you to plan a new budget for you and your family, with the insurance plan included in the household's income allocation. Coverage. There are many different insurance plans which have different benefits, features, and transaction schemes. It is of utmost importance that you understand the details of these insurance plans, because these are what you will depend on when push comes to shove. Paint an exact mental picture of what your best plan can be, and compare this with the different packages that insurance companies offer you. By listing what you need, you will be able to easily discover which plan you should choose. The quotes will help you in comparing the plans. Make sure that your insurance quotes include the monthly payments needed to maintain the plan, the coverage and limitations of the plan, and other details. Payout. Included in the different policies are the payout schedules and situations where your insurance company will give out the coverage amount to your beneficiaries. Make sure that your insurance quotes include a detailed payout plan. Some insurance companies will offer compensation packages that have vague and badly phrased articles and sections. This can lead to misinterpretation and possible loss of payout that you deserve when an accident happens. Prevent this by comparing the compensation plans with each type of insurance offer. Deciding. Insurance quotes are one of the best ways for you to compare one type of insurance package from another. Never make any insurance plan purchase without the help of quotes. During the financial recession, for instance, a number of insurance companies in many countries have declared bankruptcy, leaving their clients unprotected. Through insurance quotes, you will be able to make informed decisions about services that can help you in times of greatest need. These are some of the major reasons why getting insurance quotes is a must. There are plenty of ways to do this. You can contact a sales representative from an insurance company, or visit the company's website where quotes can be generated automatically. Once all of your questions have been answered, and all the advantages and disadvantages of each type of insurance offer are weighed out, you can make your decision.